Hey everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the 4 essential computer hardware components: CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. These components are essential for all computers, regardless of their type or purpose. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for executing all of the instructions that you give your computer, such as opening programs, browsing the web, and playing games. The faster the CPU, the faster your computer will be able to perform these tasks. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. The GPU is responsible for rendering graphics, such as the images and videos that you see on your screen. The more powerful the GPU, the better the graphics will look. RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is the short-term memory of the computer. It stores the data that the CPU is currently using. The more RAM your computer has, the more data it can store in RAM, and the faster it will be able to perform tasks. Storage. Storage is the long-term memory of the computer. It stores all of your data, such as your operating system, programs, files, and photos. The most common types of storage devices are hard drives and solid-state drives, SSDs. Hard drives are less expensive, but SSDs are faster. These are the 4 essential computer hardware components: CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. When choosing a computer, it is important to consider the requirements of the programs and tasks that you plan to use it for. For example, if you are a gamer, you will need a computer with a powerful GPU. If you are a video editor, you will need a computer with a lot of RAM and storage. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to understand the 4 essential computer hardware components. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about computers and technology.